Guys, in the last session, we discussed about microservices architecture, and we are able to develop one mini project also by using microservices. Right? Anybody got any questions? Anybody completed that microservices project development?
Yes, Ashok, completed.
Is it working?
Getting error in last cloud config client service.
Okay. You want to share your screen?
Yes.
Your name?
Gopal Deshmukh.
Gopal. Gopal. Share your screen.
Is it visible, Ashok?
Yeah, it is loading.
Yeah, Ashok, I have created a Git repository
Hmm.
configuration properties.
Okay. Greetings ms.yml. Okay.
Yeah, well,
ms.
well, welcome ms.yml. I have created service registry class. Inside that, I have added Eureka server dependency.
Okay.
Why are this error getting inside this Eureka server, Ashok? I am not understood. Sometime.
Yeah, that's fine, sir. You can ignore that. No issue.
Okay. Okay. It's error like bin creation error. It says that message cannot be aware or
I can't see that. Can you open that class?
okay, okay, wait. I will run on the server.
At the rate value annotation we are using.
Yes. This is error creating bin with name scope target dot message rest controller.
It is not able to read that message by using at the rate value.
So their application properties they mention the dot git extension. I have faced this problem also, but I
Can
downloaded.
you open that resources file, config client application, YML file? Open config server YML. Remove the dot git there. Yeah, now restart the config server.
Their application name also different from compared to the GitHub YML.
Yeah, YML client YML name. Can you show that once?
Yeah, it is a welcome MS.
Welcome -ms. Okay.
Same error.
Did you stop and started config server?
Yes.
Sir, in GitHub also they mention the key value pairs in YML in different exact format. If you miss the format, it will show the like that. I faced this one also.
No, sir, this is wrong. No? The YML format is wrong.
Okay.
Edit that file. MS colon, not equals to. Message colon, space. Save that. Commit it. For that also.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, tell
Sir,
me.
actually, yesterday I installed IntelliJ Ultimate Edition. So in that IntelliJ Ultimate Editions, we do not
Give
find
the
that
space.
sonar column.
Is it okay?
Yeah, that's fine. The Ultimate Edition, someone is asking a question related to Ultimate Edition.
Sir, actually, in IntelliJ Ultimate Editions, I install, I plug in the sonar queue. So I did not find any run Maven build like sonar run na Maven build.
Okay,
So
so
how
then
it is possible?
you need to run that in the command prompt, sir.
Command prompt.
You can open a terminal, and in the IntelliJ you can open a terminal and you can run that.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
So in the IntelliJ, it will open. There will be a terminal option. Using the terminal, you can do that.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, so it's working now.
Yeah. So your whatever the YML file you are writing, that is incorrect.
Incorrect, yes.
Good.
Yes.
Sir, I have one issue.
Your name, sir?
Yes.
Purna,
Yeah.
let me say.
Chandra, yes, you can share your screen.
For me, the config server is working, but I'm unable to refresh the actuator. It's getting issue.
Post request. Can you see in the request you are sending any body? You should not send any data in the request body. You should not send any headers. You should not send any data in the request body.
Okay, body, I'm sending this one.
No. That is response body, right? In the request body, you need to check it. You should not send that. Remove that. Body none. Keep the body as none. Select the raw drop down. Raw
And
drop down.
that port number is also right now 8080.
Drop down raw is there, na? Select that. Keep none. Yes. Now headers also check the headers. Okay, these are the default headers. Okay, fine. Now send it. Yes. Now 200. Okay. You
Okay,
should not.
no need to pass body.
Yeah, no need to pass body, sir. Just you need to send a empty post request to that endpoint. Then it will refresh your config server.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, I have one question on this refreshing, sir. Why are we refreshing the config server, sir? I was not very clear on this part, sir.
Sorry.
Why we are refreshing the config server, sir, using this post command, from Postman?
To reload the dynamic values whenever the YML file is changed, to reload the new properties.
Or to reload from where to where, sir? From GitHub to the
Yes,
microservice,
GitHub
sir?
to our application.
Okay. How does this Postman request will help in that, sir?
It is going to refresh that, sir. It is an endpoint now. It is going to reload the changes.
Okay, sir. Using the actuator, right, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay. Sir, in the diagram, where is the actuator, sir? I don't see the actuator in the diagram, sir. Is it built-in thing in the one of the box there?
It is one of the feature, bro. This is the production ready features.
Okay.
You monitor the applications using the actuator endpoints.
Right. Okay.
Actuator endpoints are used to monitor and manage our application. So config server is going to load the properties from the Git repository. When we want to reload, that means after our application got started, if some properties are modified in the GitHub, without restarting our server, we can just reload the properties by using this refresh endpoint.
Refresh. Okay, sir. Okay. So we can
Anyone?
use any other tool, right, sir? Not only Postman, like there is a Insomnia, a lot of other tools. We can use any of them, right, sir?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yeah. Anyone else facing any other issue, guys? Anyone else having any other issues?
Sir, I'm still in the video too, sir. I couldn't attend some of the weekend sessions. I'm still catching up, sir. 1 and 2 I'm right now. Then I'll do 3rd and 4th. I will move on, sir.
Okay.
So I have a doubt in API gateway.
Sorry?
So I have a doubt on API gateway.
Yes, sir. You can ask me.
Sir, one backend services can have multiple REST control methods and can have multiple paths. So we should configure all the paths in the API
No,
gateway.
sir. Class level URL pattern you can configure. So if you have multiple methods for your application at the class level, you can give one URL pattern. So that path you can specify /**.
Okay. // path.
**.
Okay.
Suppose when you are having multiple URL patterns in one REST API, then what will happen? For example, I am having one product API. Okay. So in the product API, I am having multiple URL patterns like add product is available and get product is available and update product is available. Update product is available and delete product is available. Then in the API gateway, these are the method level URL patterns and this is a class level URL pattern. In the API gateway, we will specify /product/*. So any request which comes with this URL pattern, after this it can be anything. It should go to product service.
Okay, sir.
Sir, is 1 star is not enough, sir? Need to give 2?
No, sir, 2 stars.
Oh.
Sir, one more thing. If we add Swagger for the API gateway, so will it show all the endpoints?
Sorry, can you come again?
If we add Swagger UI, right, for the API gateway,
Hmm.
so all these API endpoints will be able to access from the Swagger UI?
From the API gateway, yes, you can. No, you can't access because in the if you add the Swagger in the API gateway, there is no REST controller in the API gateway, right? So Swagger will read your REST controllers and will display them only.
So these endpoints it won't detect. Okay.
No, it won't detect.
So what is the meaning of double star? This is a product/double star.
Sir, so in the API gateway, we are configuring the URL pattern of microservice. In that microservice, there are multiple methods available. So generally what we will do, we will send a request /product/add product. Okay, /product/update product. So that means when the request comes to the product API, it can be any one of this URL, right? Customer can access add product or update product or delete product, get product. So what I am telling to the API gateway, when a request comes with product, after this double star means it can be anything. You send that request to the product API. That is the meaning of that.
Okay. Regarding product, whichever request comes, it will access.
Yes.
Sir, one doubt.
Yes, sir.
How to handle the profiles?
Sorry, how to?
How to handle the profiles actually? Different profiles.
Profiles concept.
Yeah.
Yeah, we will implement that in the project, sir.
Okay. And sir, one more doubt.
Yeah.
We have the service registry, right? For the load balancing. And if we have the Kubernetes cluster, the Kubernetes cluster also
we have the
cluster will take care load balancing.
Let me tell you, sir. If you have the Kubernetes cluster, then you don't need to set up the client side load balancing. Server side load balancing will be working for that.
Okay. So in case, if you have the Kubernetes cluster, no need of this service registry, right?
Service registry is required, load balancing is not required.
A little confusing.
Service registry is required, sir. So you don't need to run multiple instances manually if you have Kubernetes cluster.
Okay.
That load balancing is a thin client doing, not service registry.
Yes.
So, so in server side, auto scaling is client side auto scaling possible?
Not possible.
Okay.
And sir, in real time, this service registry will be mentioned as a node in the Kubernetes cluster.
Service registry?
Will the service registry be a node in the Kubernetes cluster?
No, sir. Kubernetes node nothing but one virtual machine, sir. So Kubernetes topic I have not explained. So in the Kubernetes class, you will get the clarity on that. Service registry is one pod in the Kubernetes. It is not a node. Node means a machine.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I thought of asking same question.
So all of you able to complete that microservices project, guys?
Yes, sir.
Still anybody having any questions on that project? Anybody facing any issue? Everybody should be able to complete that project. Yes. Anyone having any questions? I'm open for the questions.
Sir, can you use multiple databases for one application at a time? One interviewer asked me.
Yes, sir, you can do that, sir. In the one of the video I have explained how to configure multiple databases in the Spring Boot. So if you see in our YouTube channel, how to configure multiple databases in the Spring Boot, one of the video in our channel, you can find out that. How to configure multiple databases in the Spring Boot. So within 15 minutes, I explained that topic.
Okay, sir.
You can go through this video, then you will understand it.
Okay, sir. I will go.
Yeah. Any other questions, anyone?
One question, Ashok.
Yeah.
So for performance improvement, what we use in our Spring microservices or
Performance
project,
improvement.
these things.
So for performance improvement, there is no direct ready-made thing. That coding we need to do properly. Okay. So to improve the performance directly, you can't do anything.
So Swagger is more like a documentation purpose, right, sir?
Correct.
So in that, all the endpoints should display, right, sir? Why the endpoints will not display, sir, in Swagger?
It is displaying, sir.
Okay.
If you have the REST controllers, it will display all the endpoints.
Right. So, but sometimes I feel it is little difficult to test using Swagger, sir. Those enable, disable, those things doesn't work properly. If I use Postman, it is a little easy, sir.
Okay.
Hello. Hi, sir.
Yeah, Ashok. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ashok, I have one clarification. This is regarding the course. So in Ashok IT, we have something like AWS Cloud course, right? There is course.
Yeah.
So actually, you will teach, I think something like the AWS Cloud Architect range, or it is like I think it's like a practitioner. It will be
Cloud practitioner level, sir. For solution architect, separate AWS solution architect course is available.
okay. That day
In
when
the
I
AWS with DevOps with AWS, the main focus will be there on the DevOps. AWS, some topics will be covered which are required for the DevOps engineer.
okay. Okay, there's one more course also, AWS Cloud. Okay. So actually, when I spoke to the admin person, they said that the architect, solution architect course is not available now. They said.
It is available, sir. Next Monday, it is starting at 7 p.m.
Oh, next Monday. Okay. Anyway, I cannot. But I think after JRTP, I'm planning to join something like that. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Anyway, you will plan, right? Like I think once in 2 months or something like that, right? AWS architect.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Good.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Sir, why we have to configure API gateway in Eureka server or service registry? What is the reason?
The reason is for routing, it has to identify the service URLs. No?
Okay.
We are not sending direct request to the backend APIs. We are not sending direct request to the backend APIs. We are sending the request to the API gateway. API gateway should forward the request to the backend microservice based on the service name. So that's why it should be registered with that.
Okay.
You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, fine. So the next guys, tomorrow we are going, today I want all of you to complete that microservices project development, and tomorrow we are going to learn about one tool called Nexus repository. Okay, tomorrow we will learn one tool called Nexus repository. What is a Nexus and why we need to go for Nexus, that we are going to understand in the tomorrow session. So once the Nexus is completed, then we will work on some other concepts like a Kafka, Redis and all. Once it is done, then we will start with our major project development. Mostly in the next week, we will be starting with our major project development. So by that time, you need to cover all the pending tools that we are having. You need to refresh all these concepts. Okay.
And for Spring Security also?
Spring Security, in the upcoming session, in the upcoming weekend, I will take Saturday, Sunday for the Spring Security. And some of the tools like microservices topics that if you want to learn in the 9:30 batch, I am covering. Can you guys attend in that? some of the microservices topics if you want to learn. In the Spring Boot 9:30 batch, I am explaining those topics. If you guys are okay to attend, then I will share that link.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We can attend, sir.
Okay, cool. So I will share the link of that.
Sir, what topic is going on now in the advance?
Today I will explain circuit breaker.
Okay, okay. Sir, one more question. If notice period is 90 days, for the HR, what I need to say?
I will tell sir how to deal with that one.
Okay.
Is it possible to get those backup videos? So, which you
I will
next
today for 9:30. So today you don't need to join. I will update you when you need to join for 9:30. Today for 9:30, one pending topic I have to explain. Then I will tell you when the microservice topics are coming in the microservices topics. Then you can attend in the 9:30. Today you no need to attend that. All right.
Sir, in the
Ashok,
major
sir,
project, we'll use Kafka or not?
Yes, sir. We will use that, sir. I will tell you what is Kafka, how to work with Kafka.
Okay, okay.
Kafka is part of our syllabus. Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Ashok, sir, can I share my screen, sir?
Your name?
Sudanam Pro, sir.
Yes. Yes, Sadanam, you can share.
Yeah. So I was receiving this for the AWS. It was yesterday. It was showing 30 GB of your free 12-month has been uses, and when I checked while logging in, it was the same. Here, the storage space on ECB it was 85, but today when I log in, it's showing 94%.
Some machines are running in the EC2. EBS volumes are available. Can you go to the EC2 instances? Delete the instances.
Yes,
delete the instances which you are not using.
okay, what, sir? So, but there are nothing. Every instance are stopped, sir.
Yeah, instances are stopped. The EBS values are associated. Now you delete them if you are not using them.
So actually, I don't know how to delete it. Can you tell, sir?
Delete the instances.
Okay, got it, sir.
Select them and terminate them. Whatever the machines you are not using, you select the machines and go to actions and terminate the instance.
Okay, got it.
Terminate. So because when the machine is available, its volume will be attached to that. So that's why it's giving the alert. You delete them once your practice is complete.
Okay, got it, sir.
Yeah.
Because I checked, I checked twice of more than 2 times, but it was no other no load balancer, no instance was running, and it was 85% yesterday, but now it's 94%. So I was just confused, how it is increasing day by day.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, how can we attend the 9:30 batch?
Not today, sir. I will tell you in the tomorrow session.
In microservice batch, which topic is going on, sir, today?
Not today, sir. Tomorrow it will continue.
Okay.
But today I need to check the assignments for them. So tomorrow we'll start that. Fine, guys. Thank you. We'll stop for today. So please complete that microservices project, whatever we have done in the class. So tomorrow we'll start with the new topic in the JRTP. Okay. Good guys. Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow.